Assalamualaikum students of class 6 in New Oxford Modern English workbook 6. We were on our first lesson, Mother to Son. Let's start with part D, vocabulary, and the question is, here are some words connected with sorrow. Sorrow matlab gham. Do you know what the words mean? Look in a dictionary if you do not know a word. So, students, this is a sort of exercise or a practice for you where you can learn about the use of dictionary. All of these words or list of these words is connected with sorrow. You can consult a dictionary and look for the meanings yourself. Let's discuss some of these like forlorn, sad, sad, miserable, cry, pitiable, unhappy, नाखुश, काबिल रहम, काबिल अफसोस, रोना, परेशान होना. So all of these words are attached or connected with sorrow, gham. Part E is about dictionary work, and the question is, put the words in the list above into alphabetical order. Alphabetical order in a dictionary is quite interesting, and it would be a fun activity for you to put all of these words in the list into alphabetical order. अल्फ़ाबेट्स के हिसाब से उनकी एक लिस्ट बनानी होगी हमने यहाँ पर. So students, you should do it on your own. It would be quite interesting and a fun activity for you. Let's move on to part F, composition. Question 1 is, use italicized words in the vocabulary list given above in sentences of your own. Here we have some of the words which are italicized in this list, like wail, forlorn, mournful, and wretched. We need to use these italicized words in our sentences. Here, the first sentence is of a word wail. The woman began to wail in the morning. औरत ने सुबह चीखना शुरू किया. Next is forlorn. She looks so forlorn. वो बहुत उदास दिखाई देती है. On number C we have, I heard a mournful sound. मैंने एक दुख से भरी आवाज़ सुनी. Then we have, where is that wretched boy? वो बेचारा लड़का कहाँ है? Part G is about how much do you know. It is basically about your information. Write the numbers of the true statements in the box on the left and the numbers of the false statements in the box on the right. So here we have these statements. Let's discuss them first. Either these are right or wrong, true or false, and then we will do according to these instructions. Here the first statement is, the word happy is a noun. Word happy एक noun है. It's a false statement because it is an adjective. The word quarreled is a verb. It's true. लड़ाई झगड़ा करना एक verb है, action word है. C. In your dictionary, the word look comes immediately before the word loom. आपकी डिक्शनरी में वर्ड लुक वर्ड लूम से फौरी पहले आता है. ये बिल्कुल पहले आता है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो ट्रू. यू कैन कंसल्ट द डिक्शनरी एंड लुक फॉर दीज वर्ड्स. प्लेजेंटली इज़ एन एडवर्ब. प्लेजेंटली एक एडवर्ब है. अगेन इट्स अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. सबसे पहले जो हम जहाँ से इसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, that is this ly, and then obviously these words add to the meaning of verb, so we can say that it is an adverb. E. In your dictionary, the word hanger comes immediately before the word hang. आपकी डिक्शनरी में वर्ड हैंगर वर्ड हैंग से बिल्कुल पहले आता है. This is false. You can look in your dictionary. Word hanger does not come immediately before the word hang. F. A hanger is something you hang clothes on. It's a false statement because the word hanger they are using here means a large building. एक बड़ी इमारत को हम hanger बोलते हैं with the spellings HANGAR, जबकि जो मीनिंग इन्होंने यहाँ बताया है उस वर्ड के स्पेलिंग्स हैं HANGER. G. You are reading this book. It's a true statement, obviously. An adverb is a word that added to the end of a verb. It's a false statement. An adverb is not a word added to the end of a verb. However, it is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. The word later, letter, and letters are in alphabetical order. It's a true statement. A prefix is a word or part of a word added to the end of another word. प्रीफिक्स एक ऐसा वर्ड है या वर्ड का एक ऐसा हिस्सा है जो कि किसी दूसरे वर्ड के आखिर में ऐड किया जाता है. सो इट्स अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज वी नो कि हम प्रीफिक्स को शुरू में ऐड करते हैं. A stitch in time saves nine is a famous proverb. True. To put off means to save money. It's a false statement because to put off means to delay. So, after identifying all the statements as true or false, this is what we needed to do, that we had to put the numbers of true statements in this left box while the false statements had to mention in this right box. So that was it. That was your exercise of mother to son from workbook. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz students.